Now, could be a change in the scoreline here. Bit of a tugging of the shirt still. It's, well, Sundowns living dangerously. And what's the decision going to be? Penalty. Yeah, looked as though could have been a foul in maybe on one or two occasions in favor of Stellenbocsh. So, Titus down. Stellenbocsh approaching the hour with a perfect opportunity to grab the lead. A few Chiefs fans, of course, will be loving this. They'll be on the side of Stellenbocsh, who will be hoping that Devin Titus will be able to continue with the game, mind you. Lunging challenge from Gegana. It's a dangerous challenge from Gegana, I need you said. Extremely dangerous. Firstly, Stellenbocsh will be hoping that Titus is okay and able to continue with the game. Secondly, they'll be wondering if there'll be any punishment going towards Gegana. So, decisions to be made here by the match referee, Thokozani Mkhize. He'll be hoping for a red card. He'll be thinking red card. Keeping his cool is Stevie Parker for the time being. Now look at some of the body language of the Sundowns players here. That's cutting happy figures. The likes of Mudiba for one, Mashego the other. Titus has had his moments here, of course, in this match, in the save out of February then. The overheads straight at February. And I did have that shot earlier on in the half here, in the second half, where he was looking to use the outside of the boot to cut it into the far post.